Hi all, I'm Smokeman and today I'm gonna present OnePlus port for Redmi Note 5. As you see, Ambient Display works, but it's a bit buggy, okay, it's a bit buggy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. The lift up, as you see, it's working more or less. The double tap to wake works also. The fingerprint also working. The camera, you have the the OnePlus camera, okay, you see, I'm gonna take a picture, and you see here, with the watermark and also, okay, with good quality, you see here, it's nice. Let me put the brightness a bit more, okay. The video also works at 1080 at 30 frames, okay. I'm gonna put it here. Redmi Note 5 Pro test, okay. I'm gonna put the video here. Redmi Note 5 Pro test, okay. Okay. So working fine. The front facing camera, as you see, working also. Working also. Let me go back. You don't have many options here, but you have the MIUI camera, okay? You have the MIUI camera inbuilt in the ROM. So this is a great work from the developer. As you see, working fine. Video also working fine. It records at 4K. Okay. The portrait mode also. Let me show you here. As you see, working fine. So overall, this is a great ROM. This is not perfect, okay. You have to use the Gartner app here. I'm gonna show you where it is. Here it is, the Gartner zone. You have to put the double tap to wake on. You have to go here also on brightness zone, and you put auto set on unlock. You don't select this, okay, and the ROM works fine. The battery life at this point, it's good. It's not the best, but not the worst also. You see, 1 hour and almost 15 minutes with 83% with no battery saver working. And you see here, of course, it's not a Snapdragon 845, it's the Oxygen OS Android 10. It's based on Android 10, okay, as you see. You have here, yes, you have all the system information you need. As you see, it's a Snapdragon 636 64, okay. I don't recommend you to use this port on the 332 version, only on 464 or 6128, okay. You have the storage used, it's almost 12 gigabytes of used ROM. It supports SD card. For some reason, my SD card photos doesn't appear here. I have to go on File Manager, and in File Manager, yes, I have my SD card here, okay, and you have all the photos and things here, okay, as you see. So overall, this is a great ROM. I have the recovery Now I'm gonna show you in 1 minute how to install it. Okay, I have come from MIUI 11, the stable version. Okay, I'm gonna enter TWRP with power button and volume up. I have the Red Wolf TWRP recovery. On first install, you have to go wipe. You have to do format data and then reboot to recovery. Then when you reboot to recover, you go to install and install the ROM. Okay, it's here, the version, install. Just choose it, choose the ROM and swipe to install and reboot. I don't have a mesh disk, I don't have nothing. I have only the ROM, and for me it's enough. Okay, working fine. So press thanks to developer. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube, press like, and I see you soon.